Hello people, hello, this is time. We are going to try to make the entity renderer finally work. So finally work. Yeah, indeed, finally work. And let's just switch to the view, to the Godot view, I suppose. Things seems to be fine. Putting some Death Note music because I'm in the mood for it. I want some motivation. This is finally time. Hello, this is finally time for the entity renderer to reach its final state. Or maybe not its final state, but yeah, to be close to be done. So, we have... Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, just gotta check the audio. Yeah, good. So, as I said, boo, we have the game. We have a crash. Right, yeah, we have a crash, okay. Shadow file loaded as well, that's not really the issue though. The issue really is the issue is that I tried adding an opaque entity renderer. That's just not good. Well, that's just not set in the pickup render pipeline. So I'm just going to solve this. I have this. This is going to be a resource. And this is going to be a reference. Okay. Now, I basically try to draw with it. Why is it? Current document. So yeah, it's trying to draw right there. And that's a problem. I'm just gonna go to here and draw. And this is just renderer that draw, right? Sounds good to me. With this, well, no, it's constant. Okay, that's fine. Render data. Boom. Okay. What else? So we draw. And we have to ensure that this is valid. Here we go. Okay, that should be fine now. Should be alright. And I also just want to set this, I suppose. So I have the shadow path, I have the space. Yeah, let me add this. Maybe here. And that's going to be opaque entity renderer. I guess I want setter, well, get a setter. With this, well, like that, and we're gonna have a set. We're gonna have a get, I suppose, and that should be fine. Now let's go right here. We have this, so we're gonna replace with get with the setter and with the entity right there. And this is property hint resource type. And I'm just gonna search for other things, other similar objects that have been registered this way. But technically I should just be able to do this get static class. Maybe not. Get class static. Like this. And that should be fine. That should be fine, right? Because that's what's there in other places. So that should be fine. Okay, let's restart. And then we have the shader. So let me check the shader. Opaque entity renderer. I still have the shader to make, so create a shader. I have all of this. And I have to make this public too. Syntax error. Is it? Missing type specifier. Use of undefined type. Right. Well. Wait, is it trying to make a copy or something? I mean, it's trying to assign. Yeah, it's trying to assign with the set. Wait, but that's just a reference though. Resource. Yeah, let me just go here. Let me just try this. Maybe if I put it here, it's gonna be fine. Hi, Calculus. Hello, hello. How are you doing? Oh, he's looping. Here we go. How are you, Calculus? You make me... Every time I see your name, I just want to open my calculus book and learn more calculus. Yes, there is a problem. Undefined type. Oh, is it because of... No, it's not because of preferences. You know what? Let's include. Yeah, let's include. So we're gonna have voxel, rendering, render pipelines. This. And now it shouldn't be a problem. Okay. Okay, and yes, the shader. Let's create the shader. So we have this and print errors. I mean, it seems to be alright. I don't think there's any problem with that. I'm just gonna... RD. Oh. Rendering device. Okay. Then you copy the path. And we're just gonna include like this while removing the beginning. Vertex format ID, what about this one? Yeah, it's rendering device. Okay, let's try again. And yeah, we want functions though, because we can't run all of this in GD scripts. So we want the bind methods. Maybe here. I mean, it should be private really, I think, but... Resource. Oh! Oh, wait, that's a problem. That's why. Was it? Core IO resource.h. Okay. I just wanna update this. Okay, so let's make this. Okay, it's starting, good. Let's see if it's working or not. Let's see if now we can start. I mean, we should be able to start. But, you know, we don't have entities yet. So here we go, we have the game. You can place blocks, limited blocks, a limited amount of blocks. And yeah, it's good, right? Seems to be fine. And you have the donut. I really want to, I was gonna say, increase the speed of the generation, but I mean, it's like a lot faster in release. But yeah. What if I... Wait a second. I just realized something. Let's go there. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Ah. Okay. And let's just go in Voxel. And the reason... What's making this... well, basically the debug is enabled for modules. Right? It's about modules. So if I split my code into different modules, then I can have like the generation very fast, but still be able to debug what the rendering, for example. So that makes me want to make more modules. That would be neat. That would be very neat. Let me just check generation. Do I need env, import env? Do I need to set the dependencies? I don't think I really do. Well, I'm not sure. Anyways. So, well, actually, if it's a static library, then I mean, I probably need to. But yeah, for example, I have the generation that's like kind of, working on its own. Yeah, that's something to think about at some point. That's something to think about, to keep in mind. I'm gonna make a to-do. To-do splits code in multiple modules to increase generation speed by disabling debug for specific features. Right. Good. Good. So, I mean, we can run the game, right? That's good. And it closes... Wait, it's closing normally. Wait, that's weird. I thought it was supposed to, like, bug and stuff. It's not crashing anymore. Oh, that's nice. I don't know why, but, that's nice. Okay, so now we have the bind methods. And I guess we're gonna have the register mesh maybe add entity, remove entity, and all of that stuff. So let's go here. I mean, I guess we have the shader, that might be the main one. Well, right here. I mean, I can have this, I guess. Okay, then we have the functions that are going to be... Can I just call the function from another class? I guess I can't, right? That sucks. I mean, that's fine. So those ones, basically, is all we need. So we have add entity, remove entity, and register mesh. And I mean, maybe not the draw actually, never mind. So let's say we have this, we have renderer.add entity. And yeah, this is just, you know, a place to access the actual functions. It's just to split the architecture correctly. I don't want to have too much in this class because this is like the core of the render pipeline. And yeah. So okay, we have this. We register potentially. I guess we can start this. Meshes, wait, register. Oh, I forgot about that. Well, I forgot about multiple things actually. Create uniform. What? Okay. Yep, and we have the path. So getter set. Not really. Const string get path. Const. And this is going to be return renderer dot what? Right. Okay, let's just do that. I mean, it's supposed to be a reference though, so I'm not sure, but shadow path. And we have the same for the sat. Here we go. Please don't compile yet. Okay, this is good. 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 Should be fine. So now we can create our resource. We can assign the shader. We can register the meshes. We can do a bunch of things. We just need the transforms, basically. We are missing the transforms and the shader. Well, we need like a buffer for the transforms, basically. But maybe like with RenderDoc or something, I wanna see if it's possible to... I guess I can make custom vertex shader, actually. That is going to increase the size of the cube or something like that to make sure it's working. So we have all of this. Where am I setting up my shaders right now? Because I have this class, but yeah, it's just reference, right? Visual louder. No. Yeah, why is it actually here? Add observer, no. Render pipeline. I guess that's it. What about the player? Because I don't have like a lot of classes. So shader. There's no shader here. What about... Oh, I guess it's... Never mind. So it's already set inside. Let's just have something inside. Let's just have the entity. I actually don't have it. Like opaque. It's not registered. My bad. I forgot. Let's do that then. Let's add it here. Oh. Good. So now it should be a resource actually. It's a resource we want to register. Because the opaque entity render itself is like nothing. That's like, it's not inheriting anything, right? So that's a good thing to prevent, you know, extra memory and stuff. Well, extra memory. Yeah, I just want to make this like separate. And I mean, I guess if I switch engines, that means I can make things work a lot more easily too. Because I just have to copy this class and, you know, just change the bindings and that should be it. I'm not saying I want to right now, but we never know. So yeah, I mean that's not the goal. The goal was to add the opaque render. Oh, it's not a node. Right, it's a resource. Right. Okay, so I can just create this, I can create this. And I have the shader path. Okay. Okay. Good for me. I just don't know if I should create a new file because this one has, where was it? Actually it doesn't. Yeah, I can, wait. I can visualize this one here. There was like a button saying if it was a success or not. Like a button, maybe not a button, but like a re-import, I don't know. I mean, there's this, and there's... Where was it? I don't know, I have no idea. I mean, I guess that's fine. I'm just gonna duplicate this then. And this is going to be entity render shader, maybe. Well, opaque entity. Is that all? What was the name? Just opaque, I guess. Okay, we can have that. So we have all of this. And now we want, you know, the correct bindings and stuff. So, woo! We're gonna remove all of this mess. I guess that means we clean a little. We are cleaning some things. Faces, positions. Well, wait, vertex. Oh no, that's not the one. Opaque. Oh yeah, so it's there. Right, it was this. And for some reason I don't have this with the pickup, and I don't know. But how can I shader editor? No, how can I edit this? I can't. That sucks. I mean, that makes sense though, because I want to edit this in Visual Studio Code, preferably, because that way I have the syntax highlighting. So here we go. Opaque entity renderer. This is our code. And now we want to clean a few things, I believe. Yeah, let's remove all of this. Sampling from the texture. I mean, I don't really need this, right? We can just have, for now, let's just have something simple like the color. Out color is a vec4, so this is, let's put something red, okay? This is gonna be a red cube. So we only need that in, why is it here? Wait, what? Location 0, yeah, okay. So we can remove this for now. We're gonna have this at some point, but not now. I mean, maybe something like this. I don't need any of this. It's just gonna be a red cube. The only thing I want is potentially the distortion. So the code that is here might be important. I'm just gonna remove that. I mean, this is gonna change anyways at some point. Texture, cube data. Okay. So yeah, position, and now, I mean, we can remove this because we removed it from the fragment. Push constants. I mean, okay, you know what? For now, let's just remove everything, okay? Out color. Everything, as I said. Maybe just 2 seconds. Everything. Let's remove everything. We can remove this. Fail to spawn. Good enough. So now that we have nothing, let's check the vertex format. We have position, normals, and UVs. Position, normals, and UVs. Vec3, Vec3, Vec2. Sounds good to me. Nothing else. We just have GL position potentially that we want to. Well, I mean, I guess we need the view then. I mean, we need the inverse of the view, I think. We need to project it. We need to project the vertices onto the player screen. Is what I mean. So we have GL position and we have the view projection, right? Multiplied by the final vertex position. And this one is just going to be very simple. It's just going to be, for now, the position. Like this. So constants. I guess we need this. Do we? Well, yeah, we do. We do need this. Just for the view projection. Okay. It's not really used anywhere else. Good enough. View projection, perfect. Let's go there. We have, well, actually we have constants somewhere, right there. Okay, so that was already planned. We have VP. I mean, I guess we're not gonna have the model. Camera world position. I can push this. And I'm already pushing the constant. Oh, that's nice. So technically I can have something like that. And it should be fine. right? Do I need oh, that should be fine. Okay. So pushing the constants, retrieving the view projection, multiplying, we have the final position. Let's just restart one time to recompile the changes to the constant buffer, well, to the push constants. To this. And that should be good. That should be good. Then we're just gonna modify the GD script a little bit to... Actually, we just have to... To what? We just have to register the meshes. Do I want to do that? Wait a second. I'm actually not sure about that. I mean, I guess technically register meshes, well, never mind, that should be alright. So let's go back to, well, we already have this. We need to set the path right there. And then render pipeline, I guess. So we are setting this. But before that, I might want something like opaque entity renderer dot register meshes. And oh, I guess I don't have the meshes inside. Wait a second, I don't have the meshes yet. I forgot about the meshes. I mean, technically I can just register things myself, but yeah, no, let's so basically I have my meshes here. I have a list of meshes. I have the get and the set, but I haven't registered it with the bind methods. I just wanna do that. Boom, we have the in. And this is an array. Right. Should I specify the type? I mean, yeah, probably. Array, resource, and let me go down. Property hint, none. Resource type. Yeah, so I guess it's gonna be property hint resource type. Oh, wasn't it array or something? I think this is fine. Yeah, this is good. And the type is gonna be get static class, maybe. Get class static, I mean. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try this again. This time we're gonna have the meshes, so we're gonna have to... Well, we're gonna be able to register our meshes, so we can spawn them, potentially. Good, good. I mean, things are going pretty well. We just have to make the transform buffer, like the object buffer, really. Well, which is going to be a bit of a problem, actually. Anyways. We have all of this, and we have the meshes. And this is meshes, perfect. So you can technically just have a box, and it should work pretty well. If I do this, for example. Is it going to crash? That's the first step. Maybe it is actually. Oh no. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. I don't know why. I think it crashed. I don't have any problem with like the outputs. Well, with the shader, for example. Or is it that the... create shader? Never mind. Huh, that's surprising. Okay, let's try to restart without anything. Without the editor. So we can debug. So we can put breakpoints, basically. And see crashes. Yeah, I was gonna say maybe it's because of maybe my registration was wrong with like resource and stuff, but actually it's fine because I could set it in the inspector. So it's not because of this; it's because of the pipeline itself. But you know, it's like the first time I'm testing the pipeline, so it makes sense that some things might be broken, and that's why I'm running this in debug mode because I think there might be multiple things that can be broken. So okay, it's taking a lot of time. And it's actually not breaking at any place. Allocation. Wait. So it's when I register the mesh. Wait a second. So we have the mesh, right? It's like not a lot, right? Surface count. What is that? Surface index 0. So it's just for the first surface. We have all of this. Oh, it's supposed to be a cube. What do you mean? Is that supposed to... What? Wait, what? What do you mean? It's supposed to be a cube. How is it that big? Yeah, and it's not even subdivision. It's just like the same vertices for some reason. Wait, that's crazy. Oh, it's... Oh. It's because of this. Okay, I get it. So yeah, infinite loop. Okay, that's fun. That's fun. I was wrong, it was vertices. I just, basically before the stream, I modified this a little bit because it was called vertices and the thing that is inside the class was called vertices too. So I changed the names, but it was, you know, a bit wrong, I guess. And now we have a problem for some reason. Vertex. Oh, right. Right, okay, that makes sense. Position normal UV. Let's have this. Well... Vertex. Vertex that position. And I guess that's gonna be it for now. So now we should be good. We should be able to run the editor again. Because I want to see the errors and stuff and try multiple times. So let's run the editor. At least it won't be an infinite loop. At least I should be able to see the errors. Hopefully. Register mesh, no. Yeah. Technically, I would want to resize and like reserve some space because I'm registering multiple meshes at the same time. But you know, it's fine. So we have all of this. Let's start. And oh, it's not working anymore. Resource file not found. Oh yeah, I mean, this is nice, this is normal. But this one is wrong. So vertex array create. Vertex attribute location 2 is missing a buffer for binding. Is it? Vertex array create. I mean, that means that, well, there's a lot of problems. I think a lot of the errors come from the same place. But well. So we have vertex array create. Right there. So we have all of this. We have the vertices. And we have the buffers. And it says, vertex attribute location 2 is missing a buffer for binding 1. So it's because of this. Is it because the location is wrong? Oh! Wait, yeah, it should be 0. That's why. That's why it's saying vertex attribute location 2 is missing a buffer for binding 1. Okay, should be good. So we can just restart. Just a silly little mistake. That's fine, it happens. At least it was short to fix. It was fast to fix. Can I fix this? It's an int, right? So I mean, I can have this if I want to. It's like a simple fix, but you know, good enough. Okay. Now we start. And we still have some problems. But now it's a different problem. Yeah, okay, I was expecting this. Does not match format required. Index buffer. Wait, index buffer. Default index buffer initializer array size. Does not match format required size. Wait, actually this one is special. Index array create. Is that the index array? Index buffer create, actually. Is a buffer create. So we have byte size. uint. This is supposed to be int. Well, I guess it's int. It's like the same thing, but you know, that's fine. Okay, never mind. I guess it's okay, that's fine. I don't know what I'm doing. Index buffer format. So uint. I guess this is fine. Right? It's only 16 or 32 anyways. It's unsigned anyways. And it's like 4 times higher, right? So the required size, if we do 144 times 4, we have 576. Right? So it's like I need I need 4 times more. Wait. Does not match format required. Default index buffer. So wait a second. Index count. Right. It's the index count. It's not like the memory count. So it should basically be this. I was wrong with this. What? Wait. What do you mean? Uint 32. Oh, right. It's this that size, not PTR. Okay. Good enough. We can restart. Do I have to close Godot? Like the game? No, I don't. Okay. I wanted to check something else. I wanted to check the current Godot version, because I was thinking about going to the next version. I don't know which one it is though. 4.7. I guess I'm still on a whip version right now. What is that? Commits. Merge pull request. Okay. Is there like a list of changes? Change log, perfect. So 4.7, release announcement, non-breaking changes, migration guide. 30. Scene painted tool. Well, I mean, I guess I don't really need all of this, because 3D I'm making my own thing too. Animation, asset lib. Okay. Audio. Audio might be relevant. Microphone. Oh, okay. A crash. A lot of fixes, basically. Build system. Okay. Decouple display server from as much of the code base as possible. I mean, none of this might be good, really. Remove unused includes. Okay. C#, code style, code. From implicit to explicit. Change new overload. Hash. Copy constructor from. Okay. Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. Like small changes. Editor. I mean, I guess editor might be what I want the most. Because everything else, basically, I'm making my own. Right? Let's go back to here. Okay, let's go. So when we run, do we have any problem? Yeah, we do. Whoa. Pipeline. When the pipeline requires push constant. Okay. So supplied 80. And I think it's because... I mean, this is... Wait, this is the supplied? Right. Well, I'm supplying more. For some reason. So I guess I'm gonna try to put some padding or something like that. That sucks, but that's fine. Yeah, let's go... Wait, actually I can't open it. So we have all of this, we have a mat. That should be fine, and we have... I mean, technically I just need something like this. Padding. 1. And now it should be working basically right away. You just re-import it, but just in case. Okay. What is it this time? Uniform set is null. Oh! Oh, that's good. Because, yeah, it is null, because I don't have anything right now. So, yeah, I mean, it makes sense. I don't have this. So if this is valid, I'm gonna bind, but it's not valid, so... You know, I guess that's it. Push constant. Do I have anything else that I haven't set? No, there isn't. So it should be good. Should be good. But you know, we don't have the transform buffer right now. That's the only problem. And how to dynamically do things. I don't know anyways. Here we go. We run. Okay. We still have some problem, it seems. But... basically, I can't see my chunks anymore. Huh? Wait, that's weird. Huh? So all of this is fine. But I can place blocks. Yeah, basically the rendering is just broken for some reason. And I don't really know why. So when something like that happens, we have to open render doc to debug each frame. Launch.